Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine? Good. So today, ma'am is going to take our next table, and that is multiplication table of 5. So kids, we have completed 2 to 4, right? 2 का टेबल किया है हमने, 3 and 4, right? आपने उसको लर्न भी कर लिया है, and that is very appreciable job done by you people. Fine. So today ma'am is going to take multiplication table of 5. But before that, let us revise our 2, 3 and 4 table, right? So kids, we have done table 2, 3 and 4, right? तो हमने 2, 3, 4 का बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस कर लिया बच्चों. Now it's time to go ahead. Today ma'am is going to teach or take multiplication table of 5. So we are going to recite it, fine, drill it. So be ready for it, kids. Before that, ma'am will take your revision on 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the multiplication tables of on these tables, fine. So here ma'am has written table for you. We have to do verbal practice, right? So 2 ones are 2, 7 ma'am. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Very good. Now next, fourths multiplication table. Get ready. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Very nice. So we have revised it one more time. So it's time to take multiplication table 5. So are you ready, kids? Okay. So here multiplication table of 5. You have to write the title. Okay. So put the title maths. Okay. So here multiplication table of 5. MULTI multiplication. PLAPCATION. Multiplication. TABLE table. OF of and single inverted comma में लिखा है मैम ने 5. This is the table of 5. So 5 का table means 5 नंबर इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. जैसे कि हम 5 में 5 ऐड कर रहे हैं, वी आर गेटिंग twos are okay, 5 twos are 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 fives are 5 sixes are, right? So let's have our table. Are you ready? Okay. So here put tens and ones, kids. First you leave only one horizontal box line. Okay. Ma'am is having big board, so ma'am has left 2 lines. So let us start tens and ones. 5. So here 5 ones are. Okay. So we are going to write 5 ones are is equal to sign we should put here. 5 ones are 5. Yes. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Next. 5. Put the dot under tens. Okay. Tens column. 5. We have to write 5 again in ones place. Okay. 5 twos are. 5 twos are. Okay. 5 twos are. You should put multiplication sign here. 5 twos are. Yes. 1 0 10. Can you see? Yes. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Now let's go ahead. Again, putting dot under tens column because we are taking the table of 5 only. One digit number, and that is 5. So for that we are keeping the number in the ones place. Multiplication sign. Multiplication table we are writing. It means multiplication sign is most important. दुगने तिगुना, 4 गुना, 5 गुना, ये होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल में बच्चों। तो उसका वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती है डबल, ट्रिपल, 4 टाइम्स, गेटिंग? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल, फाइन। सो dot I have put dot at the tens column, ones column 5 I have put, then cross means multiplication sign, again I am going to put dot. 5 3s are, yes, 5 3s are 1 5 15, yes, 5 3s are 1 5 15. Okay, next. Putting dot again here and writing 5 in one's column. 5 multiplication sign. Again putting dot here. 5 4s are. अगर 5 को आप 4 बार ऐड करते हो तो जो आंसर आएगा वो आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहेगा। ओके, सो दिस इज 5 4s are 20. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Okay, next dot 5 multiplication sign, cross sign, dot 5. 5 5s are, is equal to sign, 5 5s are, yes, 2 5 25. 5 5s are 2 5 25. अभी आप लोग बहुत छोटे हो, ये कैसे किस तरह से किस स्पीड में बढ़ता है यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन में आपको बिल्कुल पता चल जाएगा बच्चों नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में। सो 5 adding 5 more in that we are getting 10 number, in 10 we are adding 5 we are getting 15, in 15 we are adding again 5 we are getting 20, in 20 we are adding 5 we are getting 25 number. So next is dot 5 multiplication sign, 6 are, yes, 3 0 30. Yes kids, 5 6 are 30. Next 5 multiplication sign, 7s are, 5 7s are, yes, 35. Kids, you have to follow this pattern only. This is our school pattern, class pattern. So you have to follow for all the tables. Fine. So next is 5 8s are, 5 8s are 40 40. 5 8s are 40 40. Very good. Next 5 9s are, yes, now 5 9s are means 5 9 times. Okay, so 5 9s are 45. See, I am writing from 10. I have started writing in tens column, and for 5 I have written in ones column. It means that is only one digit number, and we are now after that we have taken 2 digit numbers. That's why we have utilized the tens column. Fine kids, very good. 5 9s are 45, and next is 5. Yes, now we are writing this tens and ones. Okay, in tens column 1 0. 5 tens are 50. Okay kids, so we have completed in written form. So let's revise it once. So say after ma'am, say 5 is a 5, 5 is a 10, 5 is a 15, 5 is a 20, 5 is a 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, and 5 10s are 50. ओके, अभी इसी की स्पीड आपको बढ़ानी होगी। तो किड्स आप देख सकते हो बोर्ड पे, you can see on the board. Okay, so here we have to say 5 is a 5, 5 is a 10, 5 is a 15, 5 is a 20, 5 is a 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 8 are 50. अभी जैसे आप इसको पढ़ोगे, ड्रिल करोगे, रिसाइट करोगे बच्चों, आपकी स्पीड ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाएगी। 5 is a 5, 5 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, 5 7 is a 35, 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45, and 5 10 is a 50. इस स्पीड में आपको आगे उसको बोलना है बच्चों। रिसाइट इट, ड्रिल इट, से इट अगेन एंड अगेन। सुबह बोलिए, शाम को बोलिए, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टेबल्स आर हार्ट ऑफ द maths. So you have to prepare it a lot. Fine. So all the very best for doing these multiplication tables, and you please do work on all the 2 to 5 tables. Fine. In first assessment we are going to take up to 4 only. Means 2 का table रहेगा, 3 का table रहेगा, 4 का table रहेगा, 5 का table आपको करना है. Okay. We are in September month, so that's why ma'am has given you for introduction of multiplication table of 5. So all the very best. Take care. Keep smiling. Keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye bye.